All right, what's up, everybody? We're back to another episode of Cooking with CrystalErica, and today we're going to do chicken wings. Okay, we're going to do fried chicken wings. The kids went back to school. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon, so that gives us a few hours to go ahead and get everything marinated real good and let it sit and soak up all that seasoning and flavor, and then we'll go ahead and drop it in the deep fryer with some fresh oil. And we'll probably make some corn on the cob and mashed potatoes, something simple for them today, all right? So stay tuned, let's get started. All right, so here we have a family pack of some chicken wings, okay? And they were $22, but guess what? Booyah, I got them for $14.86 because I bought them like the day before they was about to not expire, but you know, have to be out the store. And I had them frozen, so that's why it's, you know, still in the bag and you see condensation. All right, so we're gonna get them out the pack and get them cleaned up. All right, so let's go ahead and clean our chicken. So what we're gonna do is take it out the bag. All right. Now, I don't know about anywhere else, but I've noticed down here that all the chicken usually has hair on it all the time. All the feathers and stuff aren't all the way plucked like this one. See this right here? You gotta take that out. Don't nobody want to eat that feather, okay? So that's why we clean them real good and then go back through and make sure all the little feathers and hairs off the chicken. I don't want to eat no hair. Alright, so let's let these thaw out for 2 days and still got some frozen. Look at that. Okay, we don't want that. I don't want no fried chicken with no feathers. Fried feathers. Okay, let me put this in the trash. And let's rinse this chicken off. Throw another feather. Look at that, they're long too. Oh my gosh, look at it. I'm gonna love having my own chickens one day, because I will, before I leave this earth. But I might have to hire somebody to do the hair part. Defeathering or whatever they want to call it. Give them a good rinse is the best thing we can do. Get everything off that was at the store. And just double checking for hair. Alright. Okay, we are back now. We got our chicken nice and clean. So let's go ahead and get it real seasoned up real good. We're going to do a Dijon Mustard Buttermilk hot sauce binder, and then we're going to add all of our seasonings. We're going to let it sit until about maybe 2:30, so that gives about an hour and some change to sit and soak up, and then we're going to start frying them before the kids get home from school. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and transfer all our chicken into our big bowl, and I don't want to dump it because I don't want that much water in there. And see, now I thought I got them all off, but you'll come across some more, so just go ahead and pluck them off. Ain't gonna kill you, you just don't want to taste that. Put this in our sink to get water out. I'm gonna rinse my hands, y'all. Hold on. That's me washing my hands. Alright. So here we go. You can always make a, that's my daughter in the background saying, you forgot about my wings. She wants garlic parmesan, and I don't like garlic parmesan. So she could just take her wings and make a sauce, and when they're done frying, she can dip them and flip them in her thing. All right, so here goes our chicken wings. Let's go in with this Dijon mustard. A lot of people use regular mustard, and that's cool, you can do that. But Dijon has a distinct flavor. It's so good, and it's mild. Okay, so I like about maybe that much. Okay, let's go in with a couple splashes of that Texas PP, just a little bit. I don't want no whole lot. Okay, like that. And let's go in with that fresh buttermilk. Okay, whole buttermilk. And I give it about a good splash like that, okay? We don't want them soaking wet. We just want a good binder for all of our seasonings to stick. Now let's go in with our seasonings. Done. All right, so let's go in with these seasonings. We got ourselves some regular Morton iodized salt. That iodized got to have that because I got thyroid issues, and that iodized got some iodine in it. All right, so we're going in with salt. Next, we're gonna go in with that D complete seasoning, and all this is like your herbs and stuff mixed together. Okay, I love this stuff. All right, give that a good little shake on that. Now we want that beautiful red golden color on that turmeric. I takes the top off. That way I can get enough. Going with that turmeric powder. Okay. We're gonna do some seasoned meat tenderizer. So that means it has salt and everything in it. That's why I didn't add a whole lot of salt. I gotta take this off. We need seasoning up in here. Give us some little holes. Alright, so that's some seasoned meat tenderizer. That's gonna make sure our chicken stays nice and juicy while it's frying. Won't be dry. And of course the dynamic duo, garlic powder and onion powder. Alright, can't never go wrong with none of that. There we go. A little bit more onion powder. Alright, then next we got black pepper. I ain't gonna use the big hole, because boy, we done pour all that pepper up in there. Ain't nobody gonna be eating tonight. Alright, so that's about enough right there. And you have to eye everything, and if you feel like, hey, I need to know the exact measurement, then probably like a half a teaspoon to no more than a teaspoon of everything. But just watch your salt. Alright, so that's our seasoning. We're gonna shake it up. Alright, let's give this a good old toss. Look at that. You know that's gonna be real good. Alright, if y'all can only smell-o-vision. You gotta use your smell-o-vision. This smells so good. It's that Dijon mustard, not just the yellow, you know. Nothing wrong with yellow. Yellow is good too. But I just discovered that Dijon, boy, gives it a whole nother taste. And then the buttermilk has like a, what do you call it? Not like a vinegar, but you know, it's just rich. It's just so rich. Okay, so let's mix it all up. Let's get it looking good up in there. We're gonna let them bad boys sit and marinate for a couple hours, then we're gonna fry them. So we will see you guys when we get back. Go have some fried chicken.